Labor Day weekend is coming up. What are you doing on your social media? On today's quick quips and tips, I'm going to share a few things that you can do on your social media to help celebrate the Labor Day weekend. My name is Maggie Carey. I'm the CEO of Master at Media, and I'm here to help educate businesses on developing an engaging social media presence that will give them an audience of raving fans. On today's quick quips and tips, I'm going to share with you a few things that you can do to celebrate the Labor Day weekend. With Labor Day fast approaching, here are a few ideas that you can use on your social media. Hopefully, they'll get your juices flowing. So, Labor Day weekend, just say happy Labor Day weekend. Real simple, real easy, an engaging photo with something special celebrating Labor Day weekend. Labor Day is a United States national holiday that celebrates the American worker. So, you can highlight your hard work or you can highlight one of your employees or their hard work. Or if you guys are having a company picnic, another great way to share things about your hardworking employees celebrating a nice, relaxing time with their fellow coworkers. Another thing is to say goodbye to summer and hello to fall. Oh, I love the summer, but fall has such amazing things coming with it too. So every season has something special to share. This is a great way to say goodbye to that beautiful summer season and say hello to all the wonderful things coming in fall. Another thing that you can do is to quote someone famous. It could be along any of these other things that we're talking about, a hardworking person, a fall or summer quote. Sharing a quote is always a great way to inspire people. So think of that as an idea that you can do. Now, are you having a Labor Day sale? If you are, don't wait until the last minute to post about it. Share it a little bit ahead of time so people can be aware and they'll also be able to maybe buy a little early if you're having an early bird, early Labor Day sale. Run a contest or a giveaway. Everyone loves a good contest and giveaway on social media. By sharing a contest idea or doing a giveaway, always think about having a unique hashtag to go along with it. It also helps bring up that engagement for you and create some excitement. Being patriotic for Labor Day is another idea. You can share information about the history of Labor Day and about American workers, and you can use a flag. This is all great ideas you can use if that fits your brand. Posting about an important topic or other business or industry is something that you can do as well. Now, what I mean by this is maybe there is a certain type of worker, say doctors, nurses, services people, any of these essential workers that you want to shout out in your post to just say thank you. Great idea. Maybe it's a business that you work with or another industry that kind of relates to your business, but that you want to give a little extra shout out to. This is a great opportunity on Labor Day to shout out that other business or that other industry or type of worker. Now, modified hours. This is one of the things that I find businesses get so wrapped up in their busy lives that they forget that Google My Business has a place where you can put your modified hours. Now, by modified hours, maybe you're open later, maybe you close early, maybe you're closed for the whole weekend. These are important things to put out there. You may even want to do a separate post. Hey, by the way, celebrating the holiday weekend, our office is closed. We'll be here to help you on Tuesday. Be conversational about it, but make sure you update that Google My Business page as well. And if you need some help, make sure you go to our video on Google My Business. We put in a lot of work and effort to help you get the most out of that platform. Now, guys, football season's coming. Okay, so if you're a big football fan, this is a great way to give a little bit of fun, "Hey, it's time. Are you ready for some football?" And get that out there and share. So if football is a thing that you like to do or you like to watch or you like to participate in, you can shout that out in your socials. And finally, our last idea is the barbecue. The Labor Day barbecue is a great way to show your people how you are celebrating the weekend, or maybe give them an idea about a recipe. And I mean, gosh, the ideas can be flowing. Those are 11 ways that you can celebrate the Labor Day weekend on your social media. Don't forget, if you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up. Ask us any questions in the comments below, and we'll be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. I hope our ideas on how to celebrate the Labor Day weekend help inspire you create those amazing, engaging social media posts for the Labor Day weekend. I hope you have a safe and happy Labor Day weekend. And remember, at Master It Media, we're here to help you take the commotion out of your promotion.